Here's the car from the thumbnail. 2009 Hyundai Elantra sedan. I did fix it up. I did sell it. The new owner's picking it up this afternoon. I'll tell you a little bit about the journey and what we made. Picked up this car to flip. It's a 2009 Elantra, 4-door automatic, no frills car. They're a popular little car around my area. They're great on fuel. Parts are pretty easy to come by. People like them. And when people like them, it means they're a little easier to sell. Let's have a little closer look at the car. Let's take a look inside. One thing that's always a bonus is when the interior is presentable enough that it can be cleaned and look okay. Overall body solid. Does need a little bit of work. The goal for this car is how cheap and cost effective can I fix it up and resell it. I bought the car cheap already. I generally buy cars as scrap with the intention of scrapping them and crushing them. Sometimes they're too good to scrap, which is the case for this one. Person I bought it from, they had a list of items that a garage failed for its biannual vehicle inspection. It was too cost prohibitive for them to fix, but maybe it's something I can fix. Let's have a look at the list. The biggest thing that failed the car is there's a steering issue. The previous owner was told it was a really bad front end. I've already looked ahead. It wasn't a front end issue. The steering coupler is bad under the dash. Not a bad fix. This wasn't a fail reason, but after I left the car idling here for a little bit in the yard, I could smell coolant. There's a coolant pipe leaking behind the water pump. It's behind the manifold. There is one seized park brake cable. It does need a refresh of the front and rear brakes. There's a couple holes in the driver's side rear rocker panel. And we saw some of these minor, some body work that'll be needed. It's winter here. Cars sell better with snow tires. So I already went ahead and bought 4 good used snow tires. They're on the back seat. I'll look over the car for some general maintenance. And the biggest thing that helps sell a car here is it will have a brand new valid legal motor vehicle inspection sticker. This one's expired. Let's see what type of budget we can keep this in. I already bought most of the parts. Rock Auto to the rescue. So let's start working on it. go. Now we're at the part of most interest to me and probably the viewers. How did we do? So the car, I posted it right here on Marketplace. See the picture? I listed it for $2,700 and I accepted $2,500. Posted it on a Thursday night, sold it Friday afternoon. So the sale was $2,500. What did we buy the car for? Earlier said bought the car as scrap. $300, which is a little higher than most people will pay in this area. It's a Hyundai product. I'm familiar with them. There's usually other parts I can sell, so I'm not worried paying a little higher than normal. But in this case, we flipped the car anyway, so it was a good purchase. Purchased it for $300. The transfer to put it in my name was $55. The motor vehicle inspection was $30. The Rock Auto parts were Rock Auto. They were $300. Other parts and supplies were $175. The used tires, they were $150. And the balance and install of the tires were $40. That gives a total of $1,050. Now, when I bought the car, I had to tow it once to the house. Since I didn't put insurance or licensing on it for the MVI, I trailered it to the garage and I trailered it back. So for me, I'm not really including the towing. It was close to my house. I have a truck and trailer anyway. Someone else would have to factor that in. So there was essentially 3 tows. Labor, I have 19 hours into the project. So right now we've got $2,500 was the sale price. $1,050 was the actual cash out of pocket. That gives a profit of $1,450. Now, so $1,450, 19 hours, 3 tows. For me, math works out quite well. That's about $75 an hour. I'm pleased with that return. As for other people, you'll have to crunch your own numbers. For me, I'm going to keep sticking to this plan and probably try to flip as many cars as I can, because scrapping them, you will not yield that type of profit. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. And I brought this one home. So this is the next car I'll go over to see, is it going to be flipped or scrapped. Definitely needs a rear axle. Stay tuned.